Welcome to this LPagery tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to assign tags to your pages from an input file. This is a simple yet powerful way to categorize and organize your pages effectively. First, let's navigate to the Tags section under Pages. Here, we can manage and create new tags. For demonstration, I'll create a tag named Existing Tag. In our input file, we need a column named LPagery_tags. This column will specify the tags for each page. For instance, under United States, I've added Existing Tag. You can assign multiple tags to a page by separating them with a pipe symbol. For example, for England, I'll add New Tag 1 pipe symbol New Tag 2. This format allows us to assign several tags at once. You can also use placeholders in this column. Once we use this input file now in LPagery, it will process the input file and associate the tags with the respective pages. After hitting Next, you can see that the tags are correctly assigned. Existing Tag is recognized and retained, while New Tag 1 and New Tag 2 are added to the system, which is indicated by the plus symbol. When we proceed to create pages, LPagery will generate the pages along with the assigned tags. For example, Page for United States will have Existing Tag, and Page for England will have the newly created New Tag 1 and New Tag 2. In the Tags section, you can verify the newly created tags, New Tag 1 and New Tag 2, along with the existing tag. These tags are now part of the WordPress system and can be used for future page creations. If you wish to create more pages, LPagery now recognizes these new tags, indicated by the disappearance of the plus symbol. And that's how you set and manage tags from an input file in LPagery. Thank you for following this tutorial, and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.